What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joven, and Tonic fam, Crow fam, we are here with another banger of a video for you guys. In this one, first off, I just gotta say happy new year to you, the Crow fam, the Tonic fam. I hope that this year is filled with abundant blessings, abundant gains, abundant upside in the future. Now in this video, we're gonna get into a bit of crow speculation that I saw, and we're also gonna break down what we could expect for Tonic in 2023, this year, this next 365 days, what we could expect for Tonic. If this is something that you're interested in, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Meme coin daily at 1,320 subscribers. Let's get to 2,000 subscribers. Remember guys, this is like free marketing. YouTube is recommending these videos out. This was my previous Tonic video at 429 views. The more these videos get recommended, people in the crypto space or just on YouTube in general, they'll see these videos, it'll pique their interest, they click on the video, and then who knows, you get brand new people that joins the Tonic fam and the Tonic community. Now Tonic right now is down 0.5% on the 24-hour market cap, still sideways crab market accumulation. Similar trend that we'll be seeing until we get some type of catalyst in the broader market, or the Tonic team drop some type of bomb on our heads, right? That's when we'll see, you know, more movement in the price action. So right now, $9.139 million in market cap for Tonic. As I said, that is a great entry for the potential gains that you could get in a project like Tonic, guys. Think about it, 10x from here is only $100 million in market cap. I'd be super happy for a 10x. If I have $1,000 invested, that'd be $10,000 in the future. 100x from here, $1 billion in market cap, $1,000 invested into Tonic would turn to $100,000, guys. Don't rule out these possibilities. And we could also see a 200, 300, even 400x, because this is crypto. Crypto always has extremely volatile swings to the upside and of course to the downside. But right now, I think most of the downside is over. So now we're gonna get into the phase where we have huge volatile swings to the upside, right? $1,000 invested into Tonic, you get a 400x. That is $400,000. That's retirement money right there, guys. Almost $500,000. And just think about it this way. Think about how you could take those assets that you got from the gains you got in a project like Tonic and diversify. You could also use it for more yield and income from Tonic and their protocol, right? You could stake, you could reinvest, you could liquidate, go on a crazy vacation, you know, pay yourself, have some fun, maybe, I'm not sure how rates are for like houses and stuff like that, but you could definitely use that fund to set yourself up in life to level up even further with those type of gains, guys. So yeah, don't think a 400x for Tonic is out of the picture. A lot of people might be like, that's impossible, but not in crypto. You know, crypto always shocks people and blows people away. Remember from my previous videos, this is the worst bear market that we've experienced, the worst. So the future years for crypto will be the best years we ever see. So potential gains for your favorite projects and a unique protocol, DeFi protocol like Tonic. Don't rule out amazing gains in the future for a project like this. And our trade volume right now is down 22%, but we still have great trade volume. My last video, the trade volume for Tonic shot up through the roof. So there's smart people like yourself that's watching right now that are accumulating and preparing yourself for the future of this project. You guys already know that this project is a banger and it's gonna crush it in the bull. You know, it's gonna crush it all together. It's not just gonna be the bull market, because when everything starts to roll out for the project itself and the use case of the project gets mass adoption, this will be one of the top projects along with Crow in the future. Now, I have seen a tweet from Oscar Ramos. Shout outs to Oscar Ramos. Despite this market, we are still here. Let's Crow. Bullish on crypto.com. Only the brave. Cronos chain right here trending. 2,362 tweets. That is absolutely amazing. And what is built on the Cronos chain? What is a heavy hitter on the Cronos chain? Tectonic. Now, like I say all the time, guys, when Cronos and Crow starts to go crazy and absolutely gets mass adoption, when I say mass adoption, this brand, this company will be used like a Amazon, like a Meta, Facebook, Instagram for crypto. It's only a matter of time, because crypto.com is one of the best onboarding websites, simplest websites for the average investor who doesn't know too much about crypto, and then they'll be going through other assets on the Cronos or crypto.com website company, and they'll see Tonic. It'll pique their interest. They'll see all these zeros and think to themselves, man, I could get so many assets for this project. Tonic is going to be one of those projects that really gets the attention of the typical retail, the average retail investor. And this is how you'll see the Tonic fam, the Tonic community grow to absolutely insane levels. Another tweet as well from the whalechart.org. The SEC classified FTT as a security. Not good for Crow, BNB, and other exchange tokens. Now, with what happened with Sam Bankman-Fried and FTX, FTT was their governance token, right? And they recently classified it as a security. Was this all like a plot? You know, let's put on our tinfoil hats, guys. Let's put on our tinfoil hats and think about this. Was this all just a plot for the SEC to come in and force regulation on crypto? You know, was what happened with FTX just another way for them to get into the space and, you know, completely just, you know, take control of the space? So let me know what you guys think of this with FTT being classified as a security. Will Crow fall under that that category as well? You know, there's always good and bad in everything, so we'll see what happens. Next week we have is from All Street Bets, BTC. Let's start 2023 with green candle, and we can see right here I'm covering Bitcoin right now because like I said, it is the lead market mover. Once Bitcoin moves to the upside, alts will follow and Tonic will follow as well. So short-term move for Bitcoin, 17,400, 17,200 range, which would be a nice pop to the upside, and of course a nice pop to the upside for Tonic if it does indeed make that move. Now, also what we could look for in 2023 for Tonic is future exchange listings. You know, Coinbase, Binance, can't rule those out, guys. Future exchange listings for 2023 could happen for Tonic. Future rollout of development from the team. The ambassador program finally taking place, and the ambassadors start helping to spread the word of Tonic. Huge marketing campaigns as well is what we could expect for 2023. And I'm I'm really into charts, and I love looking at charts, even though I'm not a great TA guy. You know, I'm not very good at TA myself. I love to see charts and when they play out, right? From Crypto Tony, oh my, this one got me. When Moon, and it's an image right here from TA Analyst. Bitcoin, a bull run begins, expanding triangle. Look at this huge move on this triangle, and it compares to this pattern that we have right here. A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D, E, and then huge move to the upside to 150k. This is something I could expect, what I'd like to expect for 2023 for the markets. I just need to see, and it would make me and everyone else in the space so happy if the bears absolutely get wrecked. Let's wreck the bears in 2023 and completely shock everyone. Everyone that's calling for lower prices, they won't get their hands on it. They'll miss their opportunity. It'll remind me of everyone was calling for 100k Bitcoin last bull cycle. We didn't get that. So everyone that's calling for 10k Bitcoin, I don't think they're gonna get that this time around. We're gonna absolutely crush it this year with moves to the upside, because people are anticipating the Bitcoin halving in 2024. And with the Bitcoin halving happening in 2024, most of the whales will start buying beforehand, pricing it in, because it's gonna be one of the biggest buy the rumor, sell the news events, just like it has been in the past, right? And with Bitcoin moving to crazy levels like a 150k, Tonic, just imagine what Crow will do, and Tonic will follow. The rest of the market will follow. Crazy gains in the future. From Stock Money Lizards, Bitcoin is no coincidence that historically the end of the oil year has marked the beginning of uptrends after bear markets. Tax loss selling, whales clearing their portfolios, etc. contribute to this phenomenon. And you could literally see the patterns keep playing out accordingly, guys. This was from back in 2012. We hit this wall, huge correction, huge bull run. Huge correction 2015, huge bull run. Huge correction 2019, huge bull run. And once again, we're at that wall. 1st January 2023. It's like math right now, guys. It's like optimal geometry that we're looking at, that we're witnessing, guys. The future will be bright for crypto, and when the lead market mover, which is Bitcoin, starts making its crazy moves, alts will follow. And you add on top of that all the catalysts that could be rolled out in the bull. I really do believe it's smarter for teams and developers to save their catalysts for bullish markets, right? Who knows if the Tonic devs are saving all their catalysts for when the markets finally turn around, and then they drop this on our heads. They drop this bomb of news, that bomb of news, marketing campaigns, huge exchange listings. Never rule out things like that, guys, because with a bullish cycle and you add a catalyst on top of that where everything is just in up only phase, it just compounds the future gains that you could get for Tonic. From El Crypto Prof, Bitcoin having to bottom update. In 2015, BTC bottom 26 months after halving. 2018, BTC bottom 29 months after halving. 2022 is already at 32 months after halving. It would be nice if the bottom shifted by 3 months each time around the years, right? And as you guys can see, 26 months, 29 months, 32 months. So it has been extending for each bottom. So is it gonna extend a few more months, and then we see the huge blow off top, the huge bull run, the huge Tonic run? Guys, this is super interesting. Let me get your thoughts down in the comment section. If you're finding value in these videos, leave a like. From Michael Vandy Pop, sideways markets, potential temporary bottom, relief rally on Bitcoin to 30k to 35k amongst pause of hikes / inflation coming down. I actually fully agree with this. The Fed will see inflation coming down. That's another thing I forgot to talk about in my previous videos. Inflation has been coming down, and we saw a nice CPI print in December where it was coming down. January, February, March, it comes down for those 3 months. Eventually the Fed will pause rate hikes, and then we could see a move on Bitcoin to 30k to 35k, which I truly believe will happen. I do agree with this to the utmost, right? And this is some short-term price action. So with that, you know, short-term, you'll see some potential gains short-term for Tonic, and then recession and crisis kicks in, and one final drop on indices. This is probably when they pivot, because in previous moments, let me show you guys, let's see if I could put it up for you guys. Fed pivot, and see images right here. Every time the Fed pivots, there is a dump in the markets, right? So right here, there was a Fed pivot. As you guys can see right here, Fed pivot, dump in the market. Fed pivot here, dump in the market. Fed pivot here, dump in the market. Fed pivot here, dump in the market. You guys can see that on the chart, right? Fed pivot, and then every time the Fed pivots, that's when we see a dump. So right here, recession and crisis kicks in, one final drop on indices. So that's more than likely where the Fed pivots, and then 2024 to 2025 massive bull cycle. Bitcoin to 250k to 300k, and if Bitcoin goes to $250,000, 250k, guys, Bitcoin goes to 250k, where you think Tonic price is you don't think Tonic is gonna be multi-billions of market cap? What? Come on, I would not rule that out at all. Multi-billions of dollars for market cap for Tonic, I would not rule that out with a 250k Bitcoin. That is so much new money into the market. Now his time frame is stretched out to 2024, 2025. A lot of people are saying that, but who knows? We could start the moves this year. You know, I wouldn't be shocked if the moves start happening this year. We have a move to the upside, Fed pivots, we have a dump, and then all of a sudden we have huge FOMO season. Fed starts printing again. We start moving back up again from the pivot phase. The pause will give us the move to the upside, and then the pivot gives us a dump. And as they start reducing rates and adding liquidity to the markets, that's when the full bull run takes full effect, right? From Seth, I misjudged the beers with my last post. The only target I have for Bitcoin spot price, no leverage, 150k to 250k at 2025. Y'all reading this correctly? These are some legitimate analysts, guys. These are some legitimate TA guys, you know, and these are the targets that they have. I wouldn't rule out a 120 to 150k Bitcoin, you know, for the next bull cycle. We could have an overextension, like a huge, you know, FOMO run, blow off top to the upside, like I said, and it just pushes the price to insane levels, right? Then we enter a new bear market with a steep pullback, new liquidation cascade, new scammers liquidated, of course, more FTX, 3AC, Celsius, Luna. In the next bear market, there'll be more, you know, scammers that get wrecked in the next bear market. But for right now, we're focused on the bull market. And as you guys can see right here, we're literally on the cusp of the first wave, and then we come back down to the second wave, and then huge, like, it's just gonna be this crazy uptrend, right? That's absolutely insane to see, man. Like, when I look at these, I get so excited for the future of Tonic. Imagine what Crow will do, imagine what Tonic will do. Just keep accumulating and trust and believe in yourself, guys. I'm telling you, this is the time you turn into a superstar by DCing into a project like Tonic. Now, always manage your risk. This is not financial advice, but you know, there's a lot of chances for success for great projects, more chances, more probabilities for success with great projects. Truly believe Tonic is one of those projects. Tonic fam, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let me get your thoughts in the comment section. What do you guys think is gonna be the start of the bull market? What do you guys think will happen for 2023, right? Happy New Year once again. If this is your first time hearing about the project, let me get your thoughts in the comment section as well. Everything Tonic and myself will be in the description, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.